Hi, welcome back to Builderall Design Lab. I'm Sarah, and in this video, we're going to be designing the Hero and the About sections for Homestead Living, our home management app. Let's dive right in. The Hero section establishes Homestead's presence. It highlights the feeling you'll be experiencing as a user throughout the page. The visual direction is natural, textured, and composed. We see the app screen laid over a torn watercolor paper and forged materials, all placed on a worn wood surface. Objects that feel found as well as staged. This editorial approach places you inside the world that the product creates and lets you feel the calm before you understand the system. The headline, "Your home held together quietly," gives the product its voice. The typography pairs Playfair display with a handwritten script. Playfair is structured, authoritative, and deeply familiar. It carries the weight of something established. The handwritten script I chose, Mina, underneath it is the opposite. Personal, fluid, and slightly imperfect, in the same way that handwriting always is. Together, they say exactly what homestead living is, a system that is serious about structure, but ultimately is built for real people in real homes. The composition uses the right half for the brand panel, a dark charcoal with type and generous spacing, and the left half for the lifestyle visual. The splits create immediate contrast between the warmth of domestic life and the quiet structure the app brings to it. Moving into the About, the design shifts from atmosphere to explanation. Here, we name what Homestead actually does. The section opens with the label About Home Management and supporting copy that is direct. Homestead Living is a quiet system for the people who keep households running. Below it, 6 feature cards introduce the core views of the app: week, load, zones, meals, roles, and rhythm. Each of the 6 overview cards follows the same copywriting logic: a single label that names the feature, a short headline that reframes it as a human experience, and the body copy that explains what it actually does in 2 or 3 plain sentences. The headlines do the emotional work, make the invisible visible for load, shared responsibilities clearly held for roles, while the body copy stays functional and specific. The separation between feeling and function builds brand loyalty. The headline earns the attention, the body copy earns the trust. Written this way, the cards don't read as a feature list. They read as a set of quiet promises, each one addressing a different version of the same underlying problem: a home that runs on one person's effort without anyone having to say so. A Get Started button anchors the section, giving the user their first conversion point before they've seen the app in depth. The interface uses neumorphic UI throughout. Soft shadows, extruded surfaces, and gentle depth that makes the app feel physical rather than flat. This style reflects the product's domestic register, things that feel made and not printed. The product is about the tactile daily reality of running a home and the UI that should feel like it belongs to that world. Soft and calm, it gives you the same quality as the best domestic objects. You don't notice how well it's made until you've been using it for a while. In the next video, we'll design the inside homestead section and bring the actual app screens into the page. I've also prepared this page for you as a downloadable Builderall template, so let me know what you think of the design, and I'll see you in the next Design Lab video.